Show you how to do some of this, right? View and control your phone and its cameras from your computer, and why you would want to do that. Simple, super simple on Windows and Linux.
Alright, so why would you want to do this? Well, first off, if you have a decent phone or a high-end phone, you most likely have a high-end camera along with it. So those cameras are awesome. I'm recording this on the front camera of my phone right now. It's only 1080p, but sometimes you might want to use the back camera that's like a 4K camera, but you can't see what the camera is seeing at the same time because you have it facing you or whatever. Well, you could have it hooked to your computer doing that. If you want to hook up your favorite colored wireless keyboard to your computer and your phone at the same time and use them both interchangeably and use your mouse on your keyboard and your phone at the same time. If you want to create videos like this one where your face is in the corner, you know, whatever, just that's the wrong logo. Anyways, there's just countless reasons. If you want to show someone how to do something on your phone, and then you just do a screen record at your computer and you just use your mouse and click through. There are countless possibilities. And the back camera is usually better, but sometimes if I'm got the back camera facing me, I can't see what it's recording. Well, now I can. So the software I use is called scrcpy. It's short for screen copy, right? Super easy. It's a terminal command tool. It's a command line tool, but don't get scared now, right? It's super easy. There's only one command you really need, and I'm going to show it to you on Windows and Linux. This is the wired version. If you want to see how to do it wirelessly, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that.
Alright guys, so right here we're on the GitHub page. So first thing we're going to have to do on all operating systems is enable USB debugging. So how you do that is you go to your settings on your phone, settings, and you go down to about phone. You want to go to the build number and you want to tap it like 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it'll ask you for your password, and then it'll say, now you are a developer. What? I didn't know you were a software programmer. I'm just kidding. But you are now technically. So now you're a developer. Then you want to go back to your settings. Developer options. Search for developer options. Click on it. And it's on. Now you want to come down here to USB debugging. You want to make sure that is on. Alright? Now if this does not work, which it should for most people, you're going to want to, on some devices, you may need to enable an additional option, USB debugging security settings. I did not have to, and I'm hoping you don't have to either. Right? So now that you are a developer and you have USB debugging allowed, we're going to download screen copy. So go to this GitHub page right here, scroll down, all the links are in the description, and right now we're doing it for Linux. So you go to Linux, right? And it's going to tell you what to do. Depending on your distro, what distribution of Linux you're using, you're going to install software differently. Like with Debian, Ubuntu-based systems, you're going to use apt or Pacman or emerge or snap. So use these to install. But you want to open terminal, sudo apt update. Right? Do this first. It'll ask you yes or no, why, enter. Then you're going to do a sudo apt upgrade. Then you're going to do sudo apt or snap or whatever distro you have, sudo apt install scrcpy, enter. Yes, enter, and then now you have it. Now one other dependency that you're going to need on Linux and most likely Mac OS is ADB. It uses ADB as a backend, right? Android debugging bridge. Don't worry, this is way simpler than that. So you're going to have to do sudo apt install ADB. Enter. And then yes, enter, blah, 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 blah. Cool. Now, here comes the easy part. I'm going to go ahead and close this one out. And I'll show you exactly what you do. So for the first time, you're going to enter the code to have your screen pop up, and it's just sudo screen copy space --a, and you hit enter. Then on your screen of your phone, if you haven't done this, it's going to say allow USB debugging, and it'll pop up on your screen. Click allow. and then it'll probably try to do the command and it can't. So then just retry it. Just push the up arrow from here in terminal, up arrow, same command, enter, and now it'll work, and then your screen will pop up. Now this is as simple or as complicated or advanced as you want it to be. There's all kinds of different options and arguments for this command, but that's the only one you really need. The --A is always on top. See, as you see, I click this, it's always on top. So that's how you do it for Linux.
Okay, so this is how to do it on Windows. I did not use a screen recorder because I tried and it wouldn't record everything with the built-in Windows screen recorder. So, if you are a fan of Windows or not a fan of privacy or you just love malware and viruses, we won't leave you out. We'll show you how to do it on Windows. So, first, click Windows from the GitHub page, then you'll get to this site. Right-click on the .zip file. Save link as. Then choose your download location. We're going to choose the downloads folder. Save. And it downloads. Awesome. Now, let's open in folder. It's right there. So we're going to double click it. And it'll pop up right here. Now it's a zip file, so it's compressed. We need to uncompress it or extract it. So double click on it. It shows you everything in here. What you're looking for is, after you plug your phone in, of course, which I can't because I'm using it as a video camera right now because I couldn't record. Anyways, Windows sucks. But you want to look for this one, screencpy-console. It might say .bat, right? So you double click that and extract all. Yes, extract. It'll extract them, and there you have it for the 15th time. Double click on that. Now you're going to look for the screencpy-console right here. After you plug your phone in, which I'll have to get another phone and camera to show you because the screen recorder. Okay, so we switched camera, or we switched whatever. So here's a phone. Plug it into this Windows PC. And okay, so we're going to come back here and we're going to do screencpy-console. Double click that, and then you'll get this. Just click more info, Windows Defender, run anyway. Yeah, command prompt will come up. Then you'll see this on your phone. Allow USB debugging, allow, and enter. Okay, so we'll exit that. Now we'll do it again. Double click here, and whoa! Now check it out, look. So you can control it from here, or from here. And let's do video. Let's turn it around. Ooh, look at that. Awesome. All right, guys, if you want more tools and tech, check out rawruss.com. And if you want to learn more about Linux or even just give it a try, because, I mean, the list could go on and on, check out this video. Bye.